Hello, I'm Latoya, Human Resource Manager of Small Business Services. We're a global staffing agency. We specialize in construction, environmental, and industrial staffing. A large part of our job assignments are from temp to perm, usually within 180 days. Currently, we're looking for experienced environmental workers such as CCTV operators, jet vac truck operators, and experienced environmental laborers. We welcome all veterans, and we encourage veterans from the Air Force, Army, Navy, Marines to bring your environmental experience to gain a good job with great pay and wonderful benefits. Please give us a call at 901 348 0590 or feel free to email your resume to smallbusiness9 at AOL.com. Thanks.